Muppet Babies Show and Tell! Yay! Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. La da da dee da da da, la da 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 doo. Oh, hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here with my show and tell. And there's so many things I want to show you. How do I pick just one? Oh, my banjo. Yeah, I love playing songs. Ooh, wait. Come on. This is what I really wanted to show you. Our cool building blocks and our even cooler action figures. Hey, Fuzzy. Ooh, or maybe there's something in the toy box. Like my foam sword. Sword! On guard, animal. Ha-ha, hee-hee, ho-ho. No, wait. I just can't decide what to show or what to tell. Maybe... I almost forgot. There's a whole playground outside. Come on, follow me. Feet first. I just know there'll be something perfect out here for show and tell. Ooh, look at our art projects. So glittery. Right, Summer?
Maybe too glittery.
Ooh, let me show you Gonzo's merry-go-round. Whee! Or the tire swing. Whee! Or the treehouse, the chicks, Piggy's dressing room. The garden, the stage, the fountain, the birdhouse, the pond, the swings, the pond! I totally forgot about the pond! The pond is my favorite place in the whole world. Don't worry, it's not a real pond, but look what I can do on it. I guess I'm not the only one who loves the pond. Phew, that was fun. But I still don't know what to choose for show and tell. Hey, you're right. I don't have to choose something for show and tell. I can choose someone, like everyone. Yay!
Tap your screen for more videos and tune into Disney Junior to watch your favorite shows.